Welcome to the educational video series to MT5 platform from Otet Markets. In this video, we will talk about how to log into the MetaTrader platform. If you are ready, hit the subscribe button. And let's get started. Accessing Otet Market Dashboard. First, we go to the Otet Market Dashboard. In this section, we choose the MetaTrader platform. At this stage, you should have already created a trading account. If you're not, you can select either a demo account or a live account through the Add Account option. For a live account, you first select the product type, for example, ECN. As you know, the base currency at Otet Markets is the US dollar. Here, choose the hedging account, type and select the leverage you prefer, 20, 50, 100 or 200. Then, click the Add New Account to create a new one. We have already done this before and created an account. Receiving login detail by email. When you create the trading account, you will receive an email from the broker containing your MetaTrader login details. As you can see here, this email contains all the necessary information. A very important point here is that you will find the two passwords in this email, along with your login ID. To log into the MetaTrader, you must use the first password. Remember, first password. So what's the difference between two passwords? Simple. The first password allows you to trade. Second, which we call it investor password, only allow you to view the platform. You cannot make any trades or open the position with it. Logging into the MetaTrader. On the platform, go to the File menu. Then click the Open an Account. Next, you need to search for the broker's server name, Otet Group Ltd. After selecting the server, click Next. Here, you will see three options. Select the last one, which allows you to log in into your trading account. Since we have already received the account detail via email, we simply copy and paste the information into this section. You should also remember this important note. Due to the MetaTrader high security, there is no option to show your password inside the platform. You must copy and paste the password directly from the email. If you are trying to type it manually, you will likely make a mistake and won't be able to log in. Now, we copy the first password and paste it here. As you can see, there is only one Otet Group server, which belongs to the Otet Markets. When you click the Finish, you will hear the incoming mail sound, which confirms you have successfully connected to the MetaTrader. Activating a chart. As you notice, after logging in your account, the chart is not active by default. To activate any chart, simply drag the symbol, for example, a currency pair, and drop it onto the chart window. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and follow us on the YouTube channel. See you in the next education video. Goodbye.